Hi guys. Trying to fix someone is one of the most emotionally draining things you could ever do. And sometimes just walking away can save you tons of time and frustration. This thin line is hard to navigate for a lot of people, which keeps them pouring energy into a relationship that has long died. If you're a man watching this, I'm about to tell you the 5 key signs that will tell you that this thin line has been breached. After this, the longer you stay and try to fix her, the longer you're delaying the inevitable. Number 1, cheating and infidelity. Now this one may come across as obvious, but there's degrees to cheating that might slip past you. Let me tell you something about how a woman ends up cheating. It starts long before the actual act. If your woman seems overly involved with a male friend or coworker, or she seems emotionally dismissive and distant towards you, the alarm bell should start ringing. Because once you've lost the love and emotional commitment of a woman, her body is next to follow. Once it reaches the final stages, you might do more harm than good trying to win her back, and it might be time for you to keep your dignity intact as a man and part ways. Number 2, constantly walking on eggshells to avoid fighting. A woman that's constantly looking for a fight is the exact opposite of a woman that can be your peace. No man can live through a relationship like this. I mean, of course, there's gonna be times of emotional stress where she'll be more moody than usual, but you shouldn't be constantly walking on eggshells, fearing another fight. A relationship like this will have you calculating every word and every move you make. And because of this, you will eventually burn out. Number 3, she belittles and compares you. This is not just an isolated sign to look out for. It reveals an underlying resentment and disrespect towards who you are and everything you do for her as a man. Once a woman displays this, it's very difficult to fundamentally turn her around and make her see you any different. Respect is everything to a man, and this is why no man on this earth can continue giving his all when he's continuously emasculated or compared to other men. This strikes at the heart and the core of a healthy relationship dynamic, and it's highly unlikely to last long. Number 4, she doesn't respect your principles. The dynamic of a man and a woman has always been about supporting each other in shared goals and raising children and a creed that both parties believe in. None of that is possible if she doesn't respect your principles. They don't have to be anything as broad as something like politics, where it's likely that you'll have divided opinions, but at the very least, you should expect a relationship where there's mutual respect for your values like integrity, honesty, dignity. Now, this is one of those things that's easier to find than it is to build. If it's not there in the woman that you're with, it might be best to walk away. Number 5, she constantly threatens you with walking away. There's a general rule that I think every single couple should follow. Never throw around the word breakup or divorce in a relationship, even as a joke. Words are extremely powerful and they shape reality. So if the woman that you're with seems super casual about threatening to leave you in every little argument that you have, she's already crossed a major mental and emotional barrier. At some point, you have to stop taking the blatant threats and serve her exactly what she wants. When it comes to a female like this, I always advise to leave her because she was never really yours in the first place. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.